Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am Miss Fala. I will presentation of English for academic purpose. Introduction. My name is Miss Fala with name 333123071. I am mechanical engineering student at 20 at 2023. Background. National integration is a crucial effort to unite diverse elements of society such as ethnicity, religion, race, and culture in order to create harmony in and unity within the framework of one nation. This process does not merely aim to make everyone the same, but rather to manage difference so that they do not lead to division, instead becoming strengths that complement one another. Through integration, society can live peacefully side by side, respect one another, and work together to achieve common goals, thereby fostering sustainable national stability and progress. A great nation is one that is able to maintain its unity. Next, national integration. National integration is the process of uniting diverse sociocultural groups within a country to form a complete and harmonious unity, characterized by an awareness of national identity and a shared agreement on common values and norms. Despite difference in ethnicity, religion, race, and language, this process is essential for maintaining the integrity and strength of the state, reducing conflict, and building public trust as well as citizen participation in the government and the nation. The factors pendorong integrasi nasional. Pancasila sebagai dasar negara. Pancasila is the ideological, philosophical foundation of the Indonesian nation. It serves as a unifying force because the value is embodied as such belief in God, humanity, unity, democracy, and justice are considered universal and can be accepted by all segments of Indonesia diverse society, regardless of ethnicity, religion, or race. The Indonesians uh, sebagai pemersatu. Indonesian is the official and national language that serves as the primary means of communication throughout the entire territory of Indonesia. The spirit of unity and mutual cooperation is a reflection of a collective culture that prioritizes collaboration for the common goods. This value encourages people to help one another work together to overcome challenges and resolve problems regardless of the backgrounds. The factor against menghambat integrasi nasional, ethnic, cultural, and religious conflict. Point B, social and economic inequality. C, lack of tolerance among communities. D, the uncontrolled influence of globalization. Kesimpulan, national integration is a vital element in maintaining the unity of the state of the Republic Indonesia, supported by fundamental pillars such as Pancasila as the ideological foundation Bhinneka Tunggal Ika, which is emphasized unity in diversity and the 1945 or 1945 Constitution as the legal basis of the state. National integration stands as a strong cornerstone, although challenges such as ethnic, religious, and cultural difference persist. They can be overcome through a spirit of unity, tolerance, and mutual cooperation among all elements of the nation. Thus, the national integration is not merely a concept, but a continuous, concrete effort that must be upheld to ensure the sustainability and progress of the nation. Last, thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.